This is my speech on the northern spotted owl. The northern spotted owl is an indicator species, which means that they're present in old-growth forests indicate a healthy ecosystem. Having a healthy ecosystem implies that there are a variety of living organisms and species in that particular environment. Scientists study the spotted owl to get a larger picture of the health of the ecosystem in which it lives. Northern spotted owls were federally listed as threatened in 1990. The biggest threat to the northern spotted owl is the loss of the old-growth forests as a result of logging and forest fragmentation. These threats are made even greater by natural disasters, such as volcanic eruptions, fire, and even windstorms. Also, higher temperatures and drought conditions favor diseases like the mosquito-borne West Nile virus. West Nile develops more rapidly at higher temperatures, increasing the likelihood of transmission. Drought conditions also affect birds and their water sources, and this makes them an easier target for the disease-carrying mosquitoes. Now let's learn a few things about the northern spotted owl. The northern spotted owl is one of 3 subspecies of spotted owls. Mexican spotted owl and the California spotted owl are the other 2. Each is brown with white spots, but the northern spotted owl is the darkest brown with the smallest spots and darker facial discs, which are the feathers surrounding the eyes. This is a picture of the northern spotted owl, and you can see that it has the smaller spots with the dark brown and the big feathers around the eyes. Northern spotted owls, although is often considered to be a medium-sized owl, it ranks among the largest in North America. They are about 1.5 feet in length, and their wingspan can reach up to 4 feet. Females are larger than males. Their typical lifespan is about 10 years in the wild, but they can live up to 15 to 20 years if they are properly cared for in captivity. Northern spotted owls are monogamous and they usually mate for life. The mating season is February or March, and they have a clutch size, which is how many eggs they lay, of 1 to 3 eggs. And the gestation is 1 to 2 months. After the eggs hatch, the female sits with her offspring for 8 to 10 days, and the food is brought to the female and the babies by the male owl. The young acquire their necessary feathers for flight about 34 to 36 days after they are hatched. Their condition when they are hatched is helpless, their eyes are closed, and they are covered with a white down. Their eggs are white to pearl gray in color. Now that we know what they look like, let's find out about their behavior and what they eat. The northern spotted owl is very territorial. They do not migrate, although they may shift their ranges in response to the weather, such as heavy snowstorms, which makes it difficult for them to hunt. They have a distinct flight pattern involving a series of rapid wing beats interspersed with gliding flight. This allows them to silently glide down on their prey. They are nocturnal hunters, which means that they hunt at night, and they eat small and medium-sized mammals, mostly consisting of flying squirrels and rodents. Their nests, they do not build on their own. They have nests that they use in the top of tree trunks or squirrels' nests. Now let's find out about the benefits and the costs of saving them. Saving the northern spotted owl will save an entire ecosystem, which plants, other animals, and humans depend on. Because they are an indicator species, this is a gauge of health for the ecosystem that provides its habitat. Society ought to save the northern spotted owl for the aesthetic value, which means their beauty. Finally, the owl and its habitat are of immense scientific value. They can increase our understanding of this unique ecosystem and its role in our lives and the lives of future generations. Environmentalists admit that saving owls' habitat could cost jobs because saving the owls means cutting the timber industry. It is our duty to preserve this rare species. They are not yet endangered, but close to it. As I said, they were listed federally in 1990 on the threatened list. If you would like to help in saving the northern spotted owl, you can go to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife website and click on donate. It's for a good cause. Thank you. Are there any questions? All right. This was my picture of the spotted. I told you that already. Okay, thank you.